name's Alice Kate. I'm a hair and makeup artist, and on this channel I'll be posting hair, makeup, beauty tips and tricks. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, please click subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about skincare, so if you would like to learn some tips and tricks about your skin, please stick around. So to start off with, I'm going to be talking about just basic skincare and what you need to do for your skin. This really doesn't matter what skin type you have. These are sort of the general rules, and there's 3 steps, and that's cleanse, tone and moisturise. Now, depending on the skin type you have will depend on what products you use. If you've got dry skin, you need to use a cleanser, toner and moisturiser for dry skin. And if you've got oily skin, the same applies and things like that. It is always important to use the correct product for the correct skin type, because it might not work for your skin if you're using an oily base. It might not work for your skin, because if you're using a product that's meant for dry skin on oily skin, it might not work, and the same if you were using a product for oily skin for dry skin, it just won't work. So you need to make sure you know your skin type. I might do a video telling you how you can identify your skin type. If you would like to learn how to do that, then please put like this video and comment below. So I have oily skin, which means I'm prone to things like acne and spots more. I have a grip, my face is quite oily all over, very shiny, things like that. It makes it hard for makeup because it just comes off. So the range I use is from Body Shop. It's called the Tea Tree range. Tea Tree is really good for acne prone skin and oily skin, so if you have skin like that, then I would so recommend this product and these products. To start off with, in this range there are 2 cleansers that I use. There are the facial wash, which looks like this, I don't know. This is the facial wash, and it basically works like a soap, so you have to have wet skin. You just put it on the palm of your hand and rub it into your skin, and then you rinse it off afterwards. And this just basically helps to get all the dirt and unblock your pores and things like that. Because with oily skin you're prone to having larger pores, so they can get blocked quite easily, so this will just help to clear them and things like that. The second product in the range which you can use is the Squeaky Clean Scrub. This basically will just exfoliate the skin as well as clean it. It works like the other one, where you just put it on wet skin, rub it in and then wash it off afterwards. You don't need to leave it on for a certain amount of time. You can just put it on, rub it into your skin and then take it off again. So these are the first steps you use. You do this before you use any other skincare products on your skin, because it will just basically give you a clean slate. You get rid of all the dirt and everything on your face, and then you can start to use other products. The other products I'd like to talk about is the masks. So they do a 3-in-1 scrub, mask and wash. For this, so if you're using it as a mask, you would put it on dry skin. If you're using it as a wash or a scrub, you use it on wet skin. So you can use this as a cleanser, or you can just use it as a mask. Completely up to you. With masks, you want to use them 1 to 2 times a week. You don't want to overuse them, because that's again not good for your skin. Whereas when you cleanse twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. So before you put on things like your makeup and things like that, and then after you've taken it off in the evening. The next product I want to talk about is the clay mask. It looks like this. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of mine. This basically will help to minimise breakouts, and it will help your skin stay less oily, less prone to spots. I know as a teenager you have a lot of problem with acne and things like that. My skin is still acne prone, so I would definitely recommend this product. The next thing I'd like to talk about is toners. The toner in this range is the Skin Clearing Mattifying Toner. Looks like this. Now the key word on here is it's mattifying, which means is a clue that is for oily skin, because it will basically help to get rid of all that excess shine on your face and things like that, and all the oils, and it will just mattify it and make it a nice canvas to work on. You also tone twice a day, so you would cleanse your skin and then tone. You would use the masks twice a day, and you always cleanse first, and everything else sort of slots in between cleansing, and the last thing you do is moisturize, but any other thing you have sort of slots between the rest of them. The next product I'm going to talk about in the range is the Anti-Imperfection Solution. Now this comes with a dropper like this, and you only need a few drops, and it basically helps to reduce redness in the skin, and it makes the skin a lot more smoother, the pores a lot are unblocked, and it just keeps the face looking very sort of nice and smooth and things like that. I use this before I tone, after I've cleansed, and it doesn't really matter what order you use these ones. You can use it after or before, there's no really rules to it. It's just whatever your routine is. Now, the next product they have is the Targeted Tea Tree Gel. Looks like this. Basically this product will use, it almost looks like a concealer, and you put it on individual spots, and it helps to reduce them, and it will just make them go, and it will reduce the redness in them, and it just helps to clear them quicker than if you just left them naturally. One of the last steps with general skincare is moisturising. If you have dry skin, you may need to moisturise more. If you have oily skin, you might not need to moisturise as much because you have a lot of oils in the skin anyway. But it is still important to moisturise, especially after toning, because toning will take a lot of that moisture away, but you still need some moisture in the skin, some water. So in this range it has the mattifying lotion. Even though it is a moisturiser, it won't make your skin too oily and too shiny and things like that, because that's something we're trying to reduce, basically. So for this product, you just put it on the skin and let it soak in. You don't need to take it off, you don't need to put it on with water, it's just something you can put on and can go. So those are the basic rules to skincare: cleanse, tone, moisturise, and the other products you can fit in if for the more specific reasons. So the targeted gels and spots, things like that, and the masks will help to get rid of all the toxins. So you don't have to use them. The three main is cleanse, tone, moisturise. But there are other things you can do. Going into more of the makeup side prep, they do a primer which is called the Pore Minimizer. A big problem for me is my pores are big. My pores are big, so it is an issue for me. So I use this, and it basically will fill them in, make the face smooth, it will stop them from getting blocked, and it will also help to keep the skin looking nice as well. And also on the makeup front, they have a BB cream. So if you want to wear something on your skin but you don't really want to wear something as heavy as a foundation, they do a BB cream which will also help to keep your skin looking nice and spot free and less oily, and it will also give you a bit more confidence knowing that if you do have insecurities about not wearing foundations and things like that. Now in the nighttime range they have two products. They have a night lotion which looks like this. Just looks like this, and The night lotion is essentially like a moisturiser. You would, instead of using the day moisturiser, you would just switch it out for this in the night. You would use this one during the day and then this one at night. And you just apply it the same, you just put it on the skin after you've... So you would just put it on the skin, like you did in the morning, and you would just let it soak in. So the last product I'm going to be talking about is the night mask. Got that right? Is the night mask. It looks like this. It works like the other masks. You just put it on like you do the others, and you just it's very light to the skin, so you just put it on, it dries, and you sleep in it overnight, and you wash it off in the morning. It works as a way just to keep your skin nice and clean overnight, and it just keeps it fresh for when you wake up in the morning. So you don't have to use this every night. If you do, it may cause reaction on the skin, so I do not recommend using it every night. Use it maybe once or twice during the week when you really feel your skin needs it. So that's it for the Tea Tree range in Body Shop. They have lots of other skin ranges for other skin types, so dry, combination, mature, sensitive, things like that. So if you would like to see me talk about them, and the premise of them is the same. You would just cleanse, tone, moisturise, and then you just fit the other products in around that. So I can talk about the products they sell. If there's another brand you'd like me to talk about and review for skincare or makeup, anything, I can do that as well. And that's it. So if you do want to see skin, hair, makeup videos, then feel free to subscribe. Catch you next week. I'll be uploading twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. So stay tuned on those days to see some more makeup inspired videos. So bye.